How to Massage Your Cat by Alice Brock. For Joe. Arrange the cat nicely on a clean towel. And press firmly into place. Inspect cat thoroughly. Remove all debris and loose hair with a moistened sponge. Pinch lips shut and thrust fingers under rib cage. An audible intake of breath will signal proper respiration has begun. Set cat upright in its normal seated position. Place thumbs behind ears and lock fingers securely under chin. Raise cat 8 to 9 inches above the table and shake energetically. The cat should feel completely loosened. Allow cat to rest a moment. Approach cat quietly with palms up and open. Begin at the rear and work your way around the cat using a vigorous kneading motion. Bunching it up and spreading it out. Stand squarely in front of cat and grasp it by both ears. Press firmly back till you hear the click. Now draw front legs out at right angles to the body and tug sharply. Rotate fully extended limbs until they ride free in sockets. Grip tail tightly and turn slowly counterclockwise. Gently flip cat over onto its back. And direct a volley of rapid slaps to the midriff. Finish up immediately with a brisk body rub. At this point, your cat should be entirely relaxed. Cover the face briefly with a tea towel to prolong calm. A well-massaged cat may remain in this position for some time.